We are. This is a little Skycatcher we're going to look at. Yeah, we're going to take her up. Find out what's going on.
Right on.
Yeah, here we go. Yeah, there it is. Got it? Okay. Okay. This is the little baby we were flying in. Bounces around a lot. And very utilitarian. Pretty cool. Very cool. Yeah. That's what she looks like. Okay. Another shot. What do you think? We flew over to Martin Field as pilot in command. Terrible landing. Bounced all over halfway down the runway. We'll be taking a lot to learn. An awful lot to get there. Started his engine, and he's leaving for Martin Field. This is what I recommend for everybody. That's Steve Wilson at the controls. See ya, Steve. Thank you. That's it.